Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and anyone watching this video. Today we're going to go on a 4-hour road trip from New York City to Boston, Massachusetts. So the reason I'm going to Boston is Valentina. If you guys remember her from the Hawaii video, she's a very talented artist based in New York City. She needs to drop off these mugs. If anyone's Colombian watching, I think you would know more about it than I will, but maybe she'll explain it in this video. But basically, there's a restaurant that's opening in Boston. They commissioned her to make these mugs for the restaurant, and she thought it was a good idea. Instead of always shipping it, because she usually ships it to the customers, let's just drive there. She can show face. We'll get a fun little road trip out of it. And on top of that, I get to meet up with Raymond, check out his K dealership. I think he has like 7 cars right now. And then I'm also going to set up a car meet that's going to be tomorrow. So I know one person has an Acti, one of the homies with a Honda Accord wagon is going to be there. And not only that, it also gives me an excuse to go on a good old K road trip, which I haven't done in a while. So I'm on my way to pick her up now. I'll update you guys once we're all settled in and on the road. For all my new viewers, while we wait for her to come outside, the car I'll be taking on this 8-hour adventure is this 1999 Suzuki Wagon RR. It is a 660cc 3-cylinder turbo. Since owning it, we tinted the fogs, added these beautiful heart-shaped rims, custom exhaust with a titanium tip, Momo with the WayBeforeTheFame horn, and then the most noticeable difference, DIY intake, takeoff blow-off valve, new plugs and oil. Here's how we're looking. This one didn't last long at all. Also has a full aero body kit, forgot to mention that. You can see by the side skirts and the rear bumper. I still feel like the car needs a doubled-in radio. FM transmitters are cool and all, but a doubled-in radio with CarPlay would have been clutch. And then these 2 front speakers aren't the best. They sound like they're about 25 plus years old, so I'd swap those over. But power windows all around, fog lights, power mirrors, even foldable mirrors. I love the fact that this is like a bench seat, so I can sit like this. I can just easily slide over. And then space-wise, for this being a 4-door, I would say you could comfortably sit 4 adults back here. This is me behind the passenger side. Lots of room. And then this is me at my natural driving position. Again, my knees necessarily aren't touching, so I would say 4 people in this car can easily go on a road trip.
Yo, are you doing a video? Are we?
And no shakes. Update, just got to Mendy Imports. Picked up the title for the Wagon R. We got the food truck in the back if anyone's interested. We got Rob's beast of a car over here. Soon to get back on the road. And then let me show you guys some of the cups. They're not finished yet, but I'll show you guys the before. And maybe in the next video or even this one, I'll show you guys the after. She hand painted all of this. Update. So I've gone on countless road trips, as you guys know. I've driven my Cappuccino to California. I've driven just road trips in general. Forget K cars, forget any of that, forget YouTube. I've gone on countless road trips, and in my entire life, I've never ran out of gas. So I missed an exit maybe like a couple miles ago, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep going. It's 6 minutes away, I should be fine. And it has not been fine. I died here, luckily. It died like on that hill, because you know when the tank is like this, all the gas on the bottom, I wasn't getting anything. So luckily it started back up, and I was able to get to this little safety zone. So for the first time in my entire life, I ran out of gas. It was in this Wagon R. Now I have to pay a $20 Uber to this mobile one. And then from there, we have to get some gas, buy a little plastic thing, come back, fill it, and then drive back to the gas station. So this is your hint right here. If you've ever gone on a road trip, do not wait until it's too late to get gas. So now what I'm going to do is just push it on here. Mober should be here any second now, and shaking my head. I feel like everybody comment below, shaking my head, Nicholas, you should know better. Luckily, this car weighs absolutely nothing, and it's really just going downhill by itself. Such a cool car, though. Not gonna lie. Update. Just went to Mobile One. Got myself a 2-gallon gas can for $30. Unacceptable. This is gonna be like a $60, $70 L right now. But let me fill this up with some good old 93. Let me call the Uber first, actually, because it's gonna take another 20 minutes. And then let's fill up the Wagon R. Update, so we just made it back to the car. Let's insert this gas now. I think I'm gonna give this away at the car meet too. I don't want to breathe all these fumes for the next couple hours. Don't run out of gas if you're going on a road trip. First start since putting 2 gallons of gas. Next stop, I'm at Four Corners Pizzeria. I had this place saved on my phone forever. This is barbecue chicken pizza cupcake, double pepperoni pizza cupcake, and then Nashville chicken hot pizza cupcake. That pizza was a solid 7 out of 10. Kind of tastes like expensive bagel bites. What up? So it's the next day. About to head to the car meet. I actually seen a midget and a dump hijet already. Let me show some of the cars that are here. Love the wrap on the hood, actually. But love the pink Kirby Miata. KWB kit, I think that's what that's called. Then we have a turbo Miata. Cool and reroute. Nice little breather there. Ooh, Kraken, maybe a whole Kraken kit. This is BC coilovers. I hear an exhaust right now. I feel like it's a K truck. Yeah, it's definitely a K car. I can hear the super long rev. Dual exhaust in the back. I like that. Shout out to Carlos. Is this a Mazda Familia though? Or is this a Starlet? Or is it the same thing? Different badge. Love that interior. Oh yeah, it's an Acti. I knew it was a K. This dude is riding this thing. White on white. Front lip. Flexing. But yeah, check out this hijet. Dude did a lot of things to it. He actually uses it for his business. So he made that front bumper, 2-inch lift, RX-7 wheels with spacers. He did this himself. Pretty interesting. It's like a tow hook on this side, and then just some sort of bracket. Nice little farm style. I actually really like that a lot. I'm gonna see if I can incorporate that in one of my builds. Got the rear bumper in the back, 5th wheel, over fenders, rear upholstered the seats, aftermarket steering wheel.
He wanted like 7.4, but I talked him down to like 5.9.
Oh, nice.
It's a little beat up, but
It's 5-speed?
yeah, it's
Okay. Because it's SDX. I always forget what SDX stands for.
yeah, I got so much shit in here.
No, it's all good.
Work in progress.
Yeah, no, I love it, man. Who you telling? Shout out to David and Simon if they're watching. We're working on Project Acting. This is how ours look. But you're doing all the sound editing, everything yourself, or this was here already?
I did it myself. I want to take this. I kind of want to take this off and clean it, but
Yeah.
I was impatient. So
Yeah.
But I put it's a mess right now. Like I said, work in progress.
Yeah, no, it's all good, bro. It's all good.
So I like 3D printed these speaker mounts because
Nice.
I couldn't settle for 4-inch speakers.
Yeah.
I had to put the 5.5 in, and then I just wired in the sub
Nice.
under the
this
gearbox.
seat, right?
Well, not under here. I'll show you around.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I put it under the gearbox. It's nothing. I already did it yesterday. So
Yeah. Most people put it under here though. You can put it on the passenger side.
Well, it's like it was a little too big, and I didn't want it'd be sticking out. I didn't want the wires sticking out.
Yeah.
So I know all the wires are sticking out right now, but yeah, I wanted to put it under.
Did it come with this already?
Yeah, it came up. Yeah.
The little stripe? It's kind of cool.
I've never seen
Yeah.
one with it, but yeah.
You gotta get some tri-spokes on here.
Dude, I was gonna ask you.
Yeah.
Man, I'm like, yeah, that's like.
You could probably find Honda VX rims around here though.
Well, I was debating between the CRX rims because I know
The phone down cool ones?
Yeah.
Can you find those for cheap though?
No.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
That's the thing. I could not
Those,
find them for cheap.
those are expensive.
I was thinking, I know you and the tri-spokes.
Found this very clean midget. Love the helicaps. Love the yellow tint. Here's some more in the car. I didn't even know this, that there was only 1,400 sold. Clean rims. Looks just like mine pretty much. Yeah, same. Oh wow, this is cool. That's cool, the very small edition.
Yeah, I got that custom made.
Yeah. That's actually hilarious.
You want to know a fun fact about these?
Yeah.
It's rear heavy.
Really?
Yeah, it's 4753.
Oh wow. It's funny because
It's
the
funny
engine,
because it's-
yeah, the engine and everything's in the front.
Yeah, engine's up in the front. It's FR.
Yeah.
You can open the door if you want. I'm totally
Appreciate
fine
it.
with that.
Yeah, pretty much like mine. That's pretty helpful too. And how long you said you owned it for?
I got this in August.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it came in at the start of August, right in the middle of the Massachusetts ban.
Yeah.
And it took until September 18th to actually get the place on it.
Oh, wow.
So I spent the entire month just, tinkering with it, making
Yeah.
sure it's in working order.
Yeah. Did you do maintenance and stuff on it and everything?
I did. I do some of it myself. Some
Yeah.
of the stuff I've had the experts do.
Okay.
In particular, I had the transmission flushed by a local mechanic.
Okay, yeah,
because
yeah.
I didn't want to mess with that.
Yeah.
I did do the oil change. I did the air filter myself. That thing was the original air filter in there.
It was dirty.
It was dirty, and all the foam on both ends was just gone.
Yeah.
I did the headlights and the fog lights myself.
Did it come with these?
It came with fog lights, but they were the 4.5-inch ones.
Okay.
And what happened was the actual bulb in the housing popped backwards. So they were blowing light way up.
Okay, yeah.
Like, they're basically high beams on steroids.
Yeah.
So I took those off and put these hells on.
Yeah. No, they look good, especially with the yellow tint.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm all for the yellow tint, as you guys know. Shout out to the homie from Rhode Island and Mindy Imports. He sourced this for him. Extremely clean. My Honda fanboy me's coming out right now. Extremely clean Accord wagon. JDM plate, yellow tint. Love these rims. Love the shape of this car too. Like, check the trunk out. Such a large car too compared to this. This isn't even a K car, and it makes it look like a toy size wise. And then like that sounds good for a K car. For a 3-cylinder 660cc K car.
Yeah.
Oh man, come on, man. Let's go. Yeah. The active front end. White on white. Just like the white on white. That front damn, he got lights in the back too.
No, that's shit.
I really like these fogs.
Wow.
Oh,
Keeps it OEM-ish.
Yo, this notch right here is where you grab the hood to open it.
That's innovative.
Yo,
So I need to do this for podcasts. How'd you do this? You just drove into it?
so took the bumper off, cut holes, and then it came with a wiring harness. It's just hooked up to a toggle switch.
Wow. How'd you hook it up?
Got a bar in the back so things don't slide. Hey. Oh, tinted tails, I didn't even realize. Just found some more attention to detail. Nice touch. Also has the chains. Oh, has it up here too. And this, I didn't even realize. So I'm in this video here. Update on Valentina's cups. These are 7 of the 11. All hand painted. And going to be at this restaurant. So if you're in the Boston, Rhode Island, Massachusetts area, stop by. Also, if you want to give her a follow, here's her Instagram.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.